So for anybody doing seatbelts on a Impala, this one is actually a 63. I'm gonna make a quick video to show you guys how to do it, since I couldn't find nothing online that can help me out. So in order to remove the back seat, you have to push it in towards the trunk, then lift it up, and then push it back out, and it'll come right out. The back piece, all you gotta do is just lift it pretty much up. And so how to install the seat belts, I didn't know nothing. I'm new to this. I couldn't find nothing online to help me out, so that's why I decided to make a video. Pretty much you just gotta drill holes. It has like little dots on the body already that you can just drill holes from, and pretty much just use that as a starting point, and then just, you know, bolt down your seat belts and see how they come out. I'll update this video in a little bit.